This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Nissan Altima. To begin, make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is running. Next, grab your smartphone and ensure its Bluetooth function is turned on. Then, navigate to the main menu on your Altima's infotainment display. From there, you will need to select the settings option to access the connectivity features. This initial step is crucial for a smooth pairing process. Once you are in the settings menu, locate and select the Bluetooth option. This will open up the Bluetooth management screen. Here, you will typically see an option like Add New Device or Connect Device. Choose this to initiate the pairing process. Your Altima's system will then become discoverable to nearby Bluetooth devices. Keep an eye on your phone, as it should soon detect your vehicle's signal, usually appearing as My Car or Nissan Altima. Now, on your smartphone, look for and select the name of your Altima from the list of available Bluetooth devices. Often, a pairing code will appear on both your phone and the car's display. Verify that these codes match exactly, then confirm the connection on both devices. Your phone might also ask for permission to access contacts and messages. It's generally recommended to allow this for full functionality. This finalizes the secure connection between your phone and your vehicle. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A common solution is to simply restart both your smartphone and your Altima's infotainment system. Also, ensure that no other devices are currently connected to your car's Bluetooth, as this can sometimes prevent new pairings. For specific details, or if you have an older model, always refer to your Nissan Altima's owner's manual. It contains detailed instructions tailored to your exact vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.